Mama,
King.
we must pay attention.
Yo, and then baby bukae attention e.
250.
Swaka ngwanaka.
ayikho nje into esetshenzwa amaphoyisa into ayaziyo nje uqeda ipetrol kagovernment.
Hello and welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. This is Davis Mukhomo. Hope you'll enjoy this one, guys. If you are new, welcome and please hit that subscribe button. And guys, please click like already. Like.
Nasungurke jajana mara nagana olata ngwana how preaching. Una le 50 years. Na.
Oh.
Sungurke jaja mara wa ibona lo 50 years olata ngwana preaching. Mola ngabolela ditolwana. Berakala na go.
Ke mamela ka mosadi a re ha ke a utlwisisa ke batle ntwa ya bogomosha bona le tsekela jwa le tletse diterata ke ga le mamele basadi dula le pakile go le batla mo le ka pakante nna ke mamela mosadi itse ha ka lahla mo ke tla jola lo wena.
Impressive. I see you went to Sifa Sonke High School. Do you have some evidence maybe for us?
I actually came with my matric certificate.
Certificate?
No.
Is it load shedding now?
Huh?
Is it load shedding?
No, yeah, it's short lightning, yeah. Like yes, short lightning.
Short lightning?
Lightning.
Load shedding?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I think so.
English.
Antoine. Yini past tense ka visit? Uvozothe. Uyinja dog, uyinja.
Mlume English.
Hakere ke khana ka mo malithi ke papa ngapha. Usiya ka mo.
The next thing ke get chill. Next thing ke get chill because of Maxwell le Moruti. Kitse wa bona ke tswele dilo tse di dirang nna ke tshabe kereke. Motho tsa go lela nna ke ntho e kgolo kereke tla bele ke fihle 8. Ka tu jara hita ga Moruti ya ek. Ke tsaba wa kereke ke tsone. A o ka ke jara stage ke tloira. Ke gale. Ai,
Tla jara ditulo.
O mo jo jara ditulo. O ya ka re ba ka dula, puta ba ka dula tata. Ya ditulo tse hasi ba.
Baneng ho founa o re ngwana hana dijo lena le jang o re ngwana ka o na le dipizza tsa hae
How to cook nothing. Put nothing inside the dish. Allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. Stir for evenly cooking. Serve nothing while still hot. Bon appetit.
Guys, itsulisa kanjani ingane security? Sengibathe ngilight itosh lutho. Ngikhalisa ikhiya lutho.
I wonder lamajita amantombazane imali abo 3K kanje bese enza ngani. Mangazokhala kangaka ngeke ukhalisa 3K.
Ngingavele ngibone lapho ukuthi intombi yami ngisayithandi. Ngiphu 3K ushintshe.
Yini 3K?
3000 leyo mali kumina ushintshe.
Ngingayicosha la eminyaka mangiphuma. Nakhona futhi ngeke ngiyicoshe ngoba ngabe kuyisenti kungayeqa nje. Ngithi awu 3K. Ngiyeqa ngidlule. Mina once gave omunye game i100 azange ngilale that night. Ngaba ne depression.
Cabanga mina kumanje ngine depression. Ngistresswa ukuthi ngoba kuzophela inyanga nje ngino 44,000 engizopha intombi yami. Istress sami ukuthi kaze sizongena elini imali zamabhizinisi wami ukuze ngizogcwalisa lo
44k
ongenani ubu 50k ngiphi imali ethe ukuthi
yabona mina yami into good morning wakho hamba no 10k how are you 10k every day shoot wena ungangcwatshwa lapho.
I was also having nightmares. Ngicabanga nje ukuthi if ngamnikeza u500 ngabe ngafa straight.
Okusho ukuthi wawuyofa
upoke 50k
ngebirthday yalo wami.
Hayi kushuthi impela ngabe sihamba phezulu kwakho. Ukube wawuyimi ngalesi sikhathi.
Njengoba nje mina ngamthengela imoto nakhona imoto encane i20 i-latest mase ngamnika u200k ngathi
iyadura la moto
uthenga upetrol
nakhona njalo lo petrol wayesondwe lodwa 1 week
200k
mase ngakhipha u50k ngathi ukuwasha imoto kusasa
mina ngaye ngakhohlwa u100k phezulu kwetafula kade ngivakashela intombi khohlwa 100k fona etatazela hayi usukhohlwa 100k sushi 100k wakho la enakhuzini ngathi mina 100k 100 ngathi usho lelo senti lela I know man keep it bekuyimali yasendleleni leyo ukuthi ngiyethengela ama snacks endleleni
100k
nento yokuphuza so just keep it.
Ngahlukumezeka serious ngalobuya busuku so thanks God ngisaphila.
Ari baba
and ungayigcwalisa ijini ngenduna enkulu mara uhluleka ukugcwalisa iform.
Yeah bafethu mina mase ngishonile emngcwabeni wami angifune after tears Nkosi yami lokho nithi hayi uphilani besiphuza naye musana umfa ezulini ngotshwala ningibonise noNkulunkulu noDavid musana kwenzeni besiphuza naye uphilani benganekhle uphilani beyithandela isonto yabo izinto enjalo hayi utshwala
ubhlungu uzobungekho bazoya.
I've got a small request to Abu Doctor. Ikhona i-medication esingayiphuza ukuthi singabi nama-craving oshukela. I'll tell you why. Exercise, yes, ngiyawalka and I've lost so much weight. Abantu bayazi bayashusha sipho yazi so wehlile umzimba you look good. But umkhaba, the circumference, the sasikutukutu lesiyana asifuna ukuhamba and why it's because of sugar. It's because of sugar and I feel we say Abu Doctor could be failing us because it's 2025 manje. Abu Doctor should have something abangas allocate yona but siphuza lento lena istopper anything or crave sugar. It can't work like that. I'm putting in the effort but I'm not seeing the results. And ngikwazi ngifanele ngisi kuzempika ngifuna ukufaka uzempika angikho ku level ezempika but there must be something I can drink to stop the sugar. Please.
Motlang o block ampama from your mom. Just be ready to explain to the entire family why no batlo mmolaya.
I know that firsthand.
Hello. I came no upper colors in Chibiana. Blue, red, pink, yellow. What's a paracale moon? Halina Maramazonga Managalitalo.
We all have that one friend whom we cannot trust with the microphone at our wedding. And it's not because this person is shy or they have stage fright or they cannot speak. No, it's simply because they know too much and they cannot be trusted. And if you're asking, why does a person who cannot be trusted know so much about you? Well, that's an issue for another day. The current matter is that keep this person away from the microphone. Even if at the end of the ceremony they say, guys, can I just say a few words? Stop them. Say no. Fight them. Because if they speak those few words, they are endangering happily ever after. Agree in your vows you say for better or worse. If that person speaks those few words, worse is starting at that very moment. Stop that person, keep them away from the microphone. They can definitely come to the wedding and they can definitely speak at my funeral. But at my wedding, no microphone, no stage presence for you.
Bafethu kunezibongo engengayithola engisabayo nje ukuyibiza yabona eminyakeni edlule ngeke ngahlangana no Professor Nduna
Mr Ndunu, Professor Ndunu, uthi mina ngeke ngiyasaba ukumbiza
Professor Ndunu.
angimbiza ke mina ke
Orange.
Professor Ndunu. Manje abantu bayangiphika. Abantu bayangiphikisa ukuthi ngahlangana no Professor Ndunu, uyabona? Because manje cabanga umintroducer nje. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only our main guest, Professor Ndunu. Izolo ke ngihlangane nomlisa wakwaNdlwabe. Izolo ngihlangane no Mr Ndlwabe. Manje lesibongo lesi manje abantu bangiphikisa lapho ukuthi lesibongo ikhona bafethu. Yavele kushaya.
Hayi baba.
ayano awa itse gore mo South Africa mo banyaneng botlhe a gona ngwanyana o ka nthangare ga a itse kiss ya le Pakistan gayo botlhe ba ditse
ba ya go dispaza ba ile suta.
Baby sheba ke tlo founela no le motho wa ka go wa ka o ska kwata rato la ka ke a o rata
ala o ba botlohela ba tloheli yone mara here weekend o no re fela 1 war 2 war 3 war 4 wa te lebo wa hore o tloetse bjala ba celebrate kante le na le tso celebrate ka so judge di bianyana tse 2 tse 3 a se bjala di bia tse 3 tse 2
bafethu niqale nini ukubona ukuthi ama relationship wamanje ngathi impahla zabantwana abancane 0 to 3 months 0 to 6 months hayi ngiyakhala bafethu.
And enye into, stop forgiving your partner. Bayakufuna abanye abantwana.
You know what? Right now I'm trying all my level to be down. But for the real, you can't give me this. And
It's so simple. A square minus B square.
Ke nyaka go botshela le godi a o re nna gape ke gale motho bo khupile ga re phakishe wena e re o itukise le ska lebela tšhelete eng ka baka la gore ro kgwetsa dibariko a re yang ka rekela bjana
man ke eng o tsagile nna ke re fela o na le chance itsela ka ke senyaka ke teacher momo
wa teacher a bere uniform ya sekolo
no ke apara uniform o bontsha bana fela gore ba molao o latele go jwang ga ba o bona nna ke apere uniform definitely le bona they'll follow the steps.
o teacher standard
ke teacher standard 4 and ke teacher ABE meaning education with culture.
Okay.
So
wait again Papa, excuse to cut you short, mara ke tjagile. O ka nka di number tsaka, mfone. And the name is Rosie. Rosie Khumalo.
Khumalo. Okay.
079 142 72
Sheba sine ke tsona tsene okay man
okay o bane konje
ke na senyaka anytime okay namo umpatla utwa
all right
ke one of the members tse khrote mo Moscow man yes hey talibona exam ya next week ntse le hopola ke re ne I hope Sapela Fat. Pule, scan disappointed that, okay? Wait, Lydia, get us a favor. Take over, actually, because I go stairs, okay? And, hey, baby, how are you?
R.I.P. Tete Senyak. Thanks for making it this far, guys, and hope you have subscribed and liked and commented. Please share with family. Azish.